Bitcoin just pumped 2.3% after our last long trigger, and now it's resting with the key resistance. If this level breaks, we could see another 2.7% move on the charts. Let me show you exactly how I found that target. Let's start with the weekly time frame. As you can see, we formed higher highs and higher lows. So basically, our higher wave cycle is clearly bullish. The candle from last week reacted strongly off a critical support level, showing both volume and strength. So that's not a weak bounce. It could be the start of a new leg up in this bull trend. So my main spot trigger remains the same: breakout above resistance with stop loss protection below the support zone here. Zooming into the daily chart, we are currently in a secondary downtrend, meaning the major trend is bullish, but the current phase is just a corrective pullback. This correction is unfolding as a price-driven structure, not just time. If we break this resistance, then it could kick off the next leg of the major uptrend. Now, note that a volume has been low over the past 2 days. Sorry. That's normal because global markets were closed on the weekend. But because Bitcoin has now rested, I expect a bigger move this week. Make sure your alerts are set. You don't want to miss it. On the 4-hour chart, here's the trigger zone for future traders. The breakout of the resistance is in our new line trigger here. Personally, I'd set a stop buy above this level, but if the market pulls back deeper, I'll wait for a clean breakout candle. The key here is volume confirmation. Without increasing volume, a breakout is more likely to be fake, but with a rising volume, a momentum can push your several setups ahead. Now, let's check Bitcoin dominance. BTC.D is currently in a downtrend. So it means money is flowing from Bitcoin to altcoins. If you see an altcoin paired with BTC showing an uptrend like ETH BTC, well, that's where you will likely find the stronger gains compared to Bitcoin itself. See, it's currently on an uptrend. Looking at total 2 altcoin market cap without Bitcoin, it's breaking its downtrend, and this could open the door for major altcoin growth, especially in the top 10 coins. For smaller altcoins, we need to watch total 3. The key trigger there is also a breakout above resistance. So here's the deal: Bitcoin is resting, building strength for its next move. If resistance breaks with volume, expect another strong leg up, and the next resistance would be our target. Now exactly how I map my targets, confirm my triggers, and balance Bitcoin vs altcoin opportunities. This breakdown gave you clarity. Share it with a trader friend, because smart traders don't just trade alone, they trade with a community. And make sure you're subscribed so you never miss the next trigger. Remember, trade your plan, not your emotion. See you in the tomorrow's updates.